Hello, guys. Welcome back. This is Atul again from Pratham Investment Managers, and today we are going to look at an interesting chart. This is Ethereum on your screen, and we are going to look at few formations on this chart so that you can understand how the price is behaving and what will be the next course of action in this crypto. Okay, so this is a 4 hour chart on your screen, and I'm looking at a good formation at this level. Okay, I have drawn a line of resistance at some level. Then I will be drawing a trend line from this level. It will be a rising trend line having some strong supports around this trend line. This is There are multiple points on the same trend line. So let's see how it works and how we will be looking at the further price action. Okay. So for me, this is a formation of inverted cup and handle, inverted head and shoulder, and then we are seeing the retracement up to the neckline level. This red line that I have already marked is a strong resistance line, and it is actually a neckline for the inverted head and shoulder formation. Let me show you the formation. This will be my shoulder, left shoulder of the inverted head and shoulder. Then this will be my head area. Okay, this is head, and then there will be a right shoulder. Okay, so this is a good formation. This formation has given a breakout already above the neckline, and then it has come back to retest the breakout level. Okay, we can see it has tried the breakout for 2 times, and both the times it will be taking support around the neckline area or the support of the trend line. So this is one area, and then this is one more. Okay, these 2 times price has came down, tried to break the neckline area, but was resisted and pushed higher. So it looks like the resistance or the support at this point is working perfectly strong. The neckline is working perfectly strong. The retesting process is done by the price, and then slowly it started moving along the rising trend line. There was a formation around this neckline area, and it is a flag kind of formation. This is a area of flag, and I will mark the pole area. This will be the pole area. There will be Okay, this will be the pole area. This is a flag and pole. It is a bullish flag and pole. The breakout is already done around this area. Okay, this candle is a breakout candle. You can see price is breaking above the flag. So what will be the target of this flag? First, we will calculate the target of this flag. The resistance was around 3970 or 3980 area, and the base of the pole is around 3416, or we may assume it 3420 area. So the difference is approximately 550 points. From the breakout zone, we can count 550 points, and it will be this is 380 3840 plus 550. So it will be approximately 3900 plus 500. It will be 4400 area. So I will mark a level around 4400. This will be my target for the flag formation. Okay, now let's see the breakout of this inverted head and shoulder. and we can see that there is a strong base around 2780 area. The neckline is around 3656 area. So the height of this area, or height of the head, comes around 3650 to approximately 2792, that is 2800. It will be $850. So above the breakout zone, that is 3650, we will have to add 850, and it comes around 4500. So this will be one more resistance line, which will be approximately around 4500 area. I will mark it as 4500. So these are the targets for these breakouts. First, the inverted head and shoulder formation. The head and shoulder formation breakout gives us the target of 4500. The flag, bullish flag breakout, it gives us the target of 4400 approximately. Price currently trading around 4100, and the breakout is successful. The resistance around this area of 4000, the strong resistance zone around this area, that was the recent high and the highs made in September 2021. These areas are crossed with the breakout candle, and price is trading above the resistance area. So we may see the target of 4400 and 4500 within a span of few days. We may see some kind of pullback towards the breakout zone for retesting purpose. It may come towards the trend line area, and then it will start moving higher. Or if market supports, we might see that the price moves straight away towards the targets 4400 and 4500. Coming forward, we will see this chart in daily time frame. Okay, this is a daily time frame, and we can see that on the daily time frame we will be actually looking at a longer term cup and handle formation, which is also a breakout at present. Okay, for that I will remove these few lines so that the chart gets cleaner and we will see the formation in a clean way. Okay, so removing all these lines, the flag, inverted head and shoulder, the arrows of breakout, everything. Okay, I will also remove the trend line. Now, looking at this formation, this is a cup and handle formation. The cup starts from here, and the depth of the cup is around 1800 area. This is a bigger, sorry, this is a bigger copper handle on this area. This is a formation that is complete, and we will see the breakout above the neckline. So 4000 is approximately the neckline zone, 1800 is approximately the base. So depth of the cup comes around 2200 points. Okay, 4000 the neckline plus the target of the cup and handle, it will be 4000 plus 2200, it will be around 6200 area. So marking 6200 area again for the target. Okay, so these are the targets. 4400 will be the first target, and we may shift it towards the previous high, all time high, so that it will be acting as a resistance around 4363. Next target will be 4500, and above 4500 we will be looking at a target of 6200. So from the current area of 4100, I am looking at a target of 6200, which is approximately 50% higher from the current price. Okay, For this kind of trade, what will be my stop loss? My stop loss will be placed around this neckline of the inverted head and shoulder on smaller time frame, and it will be around 3650. Okay, so 4100 will be the entry level, 3650 will be my stop loss. Targets 4360, 4500, and 6200. Okay, to just verify the levels, I will draw a FIBO resistance, FIBO retracement level on this area, and let's see what it actually shows us. Okay, so for FIBO retracement, the extension level above the recent high or the previous all-time high will be around 6000 zone. So my target of the cup and handle formation, which is 6200, is approximately perfect. As we have seen, it may be slightly plus minus, it may be uh, slightly different from the expected levels. Everything depends on the market movement, the intensity of traders, and the way they look at the breakouts. Okay, some news may drive the pair. Some events which are based on crypto and which may affect crypto may disturb the sentiments for a small time, and again it may continue its move towards the 6200 area. So for me, this is the best opportunity to trade a cryptocurrency which is Ethereum, and the entry level is currently 4100 area, which is slightly above the breakout zone. And I am sure that it will be closing the candle of today above the neckline area or the breakout zone. So this will be confirmed as a breakout of the bigger cup and handle area. It will be considered as the uh, breakout candle, and the next candle we may start trading, we may start to go long in this crypto. Okay, so that's all. We will see uh, these kind of moves in some of the cryptos in coming times. This is the best risk reward. You may intimate your friends, family members, and fellow colleagues about this analysis. You may uh, help them earn some good money, and they will certainly like to read or view the analysis video. So just keep sharing with the friends, family, and trading colleagues, so that they will enjoy, they will trade, and they will earn good money with this analysis. Keep your positions light, do not trade heavily. These are cryptos and they tend to move in a volatile manner. There will be high volatility at some uh, events or news basis. So please do not trade with heavy lot sizes, heavy margins. Trade within the limits and keep enough margins for safety. That's all. Thank you. Do like the video, do share it with your friends, families, and trading colleagues, and do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.